So you want to start a YouTube channel. Let's talk about what I learned in my first month of doing YouTube. To introduce myself, hi, my name is Clarissa. I am reviewing my first month on YouTube, which is technically January of 2023, and right now it's the beginning of February 2023. I started this account in November of 2022 with 0 subscribers and no videos. Brand new channel. My goal was to come up with my ideas and then start posting consistently come January, which is what I'm doing now. I post my videos every other Thursday. My first piece of advice from personal experience is make a content plan and make sure it's good. I personally started coming up with ideas 6 months in advance to almost a year just because the ideas were coming to me. I would write them all down in a Word document, so now that by the time December rolled around and I knew I was ready to get the ball rolling on my YouTube videos, I already had a plethora of ideas to choose from, and all it took was me pulling the ideas and planning when it was that I wanted to do them. From there, once I had my ideas lined up, I started shooting content. Now, I'm personally shooting content that's gonna come out 3 months from now, but that's only because the dates are set in stone of when I'm going to post, and it's a lot more manageable for me to edit these videos and really take my time, put them out on a schedule that people will come back and say, okay, it's Thursday again, let's see if there's another video. I do have a full-time job, so this is something that I do on the side, but it doesn't mean that I want my videos to kind of be just a side thing that I do. I really want to put a lot of effort into my videos, so by having a content plan, it really makes sure that I'm on track. It makes sure that I'm putting the appropriate amount of time into these videos and I'm planning accordingly so that I'm consistent. Going along with planning your content is I have to make sure that I am making videos that I actually like. If I like the content that I make, which I do, I'm more inclined to be happier when I'm filming. I'm more inclined to be motivated to film, come up with ideas, and overall just spend those hours, yes, hours, editing my videos in a way that I find pleasing. I always think to myself when I make a video, especially throughout editing, is this something that I would watch? Like if I saw this video on my recommended, would I click on it? That goes into my next point. Knowing how to execute your vision is really, really important. There are so many different styles of videos on YouTube. Lean into which one you feel really represents you and the content that you want to create. For me, I know that I want to promote connection through vulnerability and my personal experiences. So for me, a lot of that is going to be storytelling. I can sit here like I am right now and talk to you guys just one-on-one, but personally, I like my videos to be a little more engaging. As time goes on, I think you'll see that I like to have both a storytelling and a vlog format put together in one. And doing this has been through trial and error. So the video of me cleaning my room and having gratitude was a great trial and error for me to see that even though I had the right idea with the kind of video I wanted, that video didn't exactly come out how I wanted it to. It's not as engaging as I would have wanted it to be. And it's because I didn't exactly know how many clips I was going to need to really get the well-rounded vision and view that I wanted out of that video. So now going forward, I know that I need to take a lot more clips. I need to make sure that if I do have a script, that I'm loosely outlining and giving myself way more clips than I would ever need in order to really keep the video engaging and interesting for the viewer. What also helped me was watching other YouTubers' videos, getting ideas and pulling inspiration from there. I really went in with a sharp eye and said, what is it do I actually like about this video? Is it their personality, the way that they cut their clip, the sequence of how they're showing me what they're doing? It's all those kinds of things that grab our attention, but we don't even realize that this is why we like the video. Going in, looking at other people's videos with an editor's eye and pulling the inspiration for what you would want for your videos. With this, I have to say that slow and steady works best. If you have a lot of time and you can pump out a video every week, 2 videos every week, more power to you. But even though it is a passion project of mine, I don't have tons and tons of hours and daylight to even film all the time. So I personally don't feel pressured to put out a video every single week. I feel like if I take the time to make a video that is well thought out, really well filmed and edited, it would come out better rather than content that I rush through. Take your time learning how to perfect your craft instead of pumping out videos that people might not even watch because they're all low quality. My last and final tip from doing YouTube for only a month, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. There are so many people and even so many big YouTubers that were like, I didn't even tell my family that I started a YouTube channel. So bashful about the fact that you're putting yourself out there. I get it. It's scary. It's weird. You're like talking to a camera, pretending that a person is there. It's weird. But if you don't put yourself out there and you don't put that confidence forth, it's gonna show through the camera. You're gonna look uncomfortable. People like confidence in videos. People like to feel like you're talking to someone one-on-one when they're watching your videos. That's something that's really important. That's something that I personally personally been working on because it's been a little weird looking into a lens. You'll get used to it. On the funny flip side to this is that not everyone's gonna support you even if you do put yourself out there. When I announced my channel sort of kind of on Instagram, like my Instagram stories, I expected a little more support. I have a little over 2,000 followers on Instagram, and those are kind of like acquaintances, close friends, some family members. I just assumed that a lot more people would give me like that sympathy subscribe. I kid you not even 10 people from my Instagram have subscribed to my channel. I at least thought that like I'd get 50, maybe 100 people on board to support me and subscribe to my channel. But at the same time, you do want that longevity of having an audience that is going to support you and really truly likes the content that you make. I also haven't posted anything to my Facebook. I feel like Facebook, you have a lot of family on Facebook, at least most people do. You got a lot of people who are willing to support you just blindly and for fun because they're rooting for you. I'll post to Facebook, and maybe at my 3-month review, I'll tell you how that went. Last but not least, let's get into my statistics. Right now it's Tuesday, January 24th, and I currently have 23 subscribers, and just from long form content, I have 19 public watch hours. My channel has had 3,187 views in the last 28 days. That's pretty exciting. My highest viewed long form content is my getting adult braces video, and right now it's at 881 views. My longest reel, and my longest YouTube short is of me getting my braces off. That's at 1.7K, so that's pretty good. If you have any curious questions, make sure to let me know in the comments. If this video was of value to you, please consider supporting me by liking the video so that I know that you like the content and so that YouTube knows that you like the content, and maybe throw me a little subscribe if you want to. No pressure. As always, thank you so much for watching. There's a lot more to come in my next few videos, and I really can't wait to show you what I've been working on. See you in the next one!